Hey there, Sandy with Sandy and Company, and today we're talking about how to make our little corner of the world better. Lots of us these days are taking walks out around the neighborhood and down through the parks, and we know that it's good for our health. We know that it's good for our dogs if we have them. I've got Puppy down here with me right now. And when we're taking those walks, whether it's around our own homes, whether it's in the spaces that we really enjoy being, there's often stuff that we don't want to see. It's trash. Maybe somebody left their lunch stuff behind, their Taco Bell bag. Maybe somebody was walking their dog and didn't have a bag. We can hope that's why they didn't pick up. But they're just things that make it not so nice for us to do our own walking and our own enjoying. You know, we could probably complain about that a bit, but the biggest thing is what I like to do is go ahead and when I have an extra bag, which is often, I like to grab a couple with me, and I see something that, whether it's trash right around my own neighborhood, I'm not picking up the whole trash. I'm not, going out every day with making sure I'm getting it all. But if there's something obvious that's easy for me to grab, I do it. I just pick it up. If I'm walking along the trail, because I like to go down here off of Sunnyside and walk along the slough there, and I see a pile, well, I'll leave it there when I'm going down, and when I come back, if I've got space in the bag, I'll just toss it in there with whatever Harley put in. So, I'm not a big Good Samaritan. I just know that I like having my space look good and look clean. I like having my house look clean, and it always feels better when it gets picked up. And so I'll just do it a little bit around in my neighborhood and my own personal spaces as well, and the spaces I enjoy. I have a colleague who, when he walks around the lake, he takes a grabber and a bag, and he picks up the trash as well. It's just part of what we do to make our corners look better. And we enjoy it, our neighbors enjoy it, and when we have a clean space that is unusual when it's dirty, somebody else is going to help pick up as well because they want to keep it the same way. If there's anything that we can do for you house-wise, please be sure and let me know. It is a majorly hot market right now. There's so much going on, and there's lots of protection that is needed for both sellers and for buyers. So give me a call if you are looking to sell, and we'll be glad to walk you through that process. If you are looking to buy, it's an incredibly tight opportunity, but there are opportunities there, and every one of our buyers has been taken care of. We may still be in process, but we're getting it done. So I look forward to talking with you. Have a super blessed day. Enjoy the sunshine when we get it out here. It is such a treat. And I look forward to talking with you when I can help you with your real estate needs. Have a super blessed day.